Are you looking to nurture your customers and connect with more people on Instagram without spending hours sending messages one by one? In this video, I'll share how to send automated messages on Instagram to save time and boost your business efficiency. The solution is to use an automated messaging tool. This tool allows you to create your message content just once, select your target account list, schedule the delivery, and the system will automatically send the messages, saving you time and ensuring no customer is missed. First, you'll need a list of people you want to message. If you don't have one yet, you can use software to extract the followers of your competitors' accounts. Here, you'll enter the username or account whose followers you want to scan. Normally, if you need to send product introduction messages or thank your customers, you have to do it manually for each person. This is very time-consuming, especially when you have hundreds or even thousands of followers. These are the people who are following his account. Next, I'll manage the messages, and you'll select the second option, which is messaging. Select Message by Account List, then enter the accounts you just extracted earlier. Next, choose the content you want to send as your message. In just a few simple steps, you can send messages to a large group of customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on a notification bell so you won't miss other Instagram tips. Leave a comment if you'd like me to create more detailed tutorials.